Now, that's it. We're done. All the serious stuff is done. We move on to the fun and games. Dinner is served. With a little bit more of stand-up comedy, followed by Gayatri Iyer and Kunal Ganjawala.
We were talking about my girlfriend, right, in the last session. Just a small couple of thoughts from Miss, so I'll continue with that. Women love shopping, right? So one afternoon she gives me a call. Nitin, what's your favorite color, peach or honeydew? मैंने कहा ये कौन से कलर हैं? कि तुमको ना बिल्कुल भी फैशन सेंस नहीं है. What is your favorite color? मैंने कहा infrared और ultraviolet. कहते ये कौन सा कलर है? Exactly. And I think after a point in the relationship, women, they demand you to be honest. She goes, Nitin, the only thing I demand of you is to be honest. I said, okay. और कसम लेने के बाद they ask you really tough questions. How do I look? What can I say? Beauty lies in imperfections. Nitin, do you think I'm photogenic? Darling, I think you're Photoshop-genic. Nitin, do you think I put on weight? No. Then why do I feel fat? Baby, maybe because you're so full of yourself. No, Nitin, Pooja was saying I look fat. No, darling. See, Pooja is fat, but you look spherically elegant. Do you think we are soulmates? I think we are two souls who love to mate. I don't know about the rest. And so a lot of you have had a dinner, right? And whenever I see people having dinner, I feel bad for one species called as chicken. Because there is no other species that we have dominated more than chickens. I wonder when chickens के बच्चे शाम को घर पहुंचते हैं, what is the conversation like? मम्मी, ये सब लोग इतना उदास क्यों बैठे हुए हैं? क्या हुआ? बेटे कल दिल्ली में शादी का साया है ना? 10,000 शादियां हैं, तो लास्ट बार गुड बाय कर लो दीदी से भैया से अपने. मम्मी पापा दिखाई नहीं दे रहे. Where is Pop? बेटे Pop is now in chicken lollipop. मम्मी these people take eggs also, तो फिर मैं कैसे बच गया? बेटे तू नवरात्रों में पैदा हुआ था ना. मम्मी आप 2 आइटम देती हो, चिकन्स और अंडे. गाय माता 1 आइटम देती है, दूध. उसको माता बोलता है, आपकी रेस्पेक्ट ही नहीं है. बेटे काउज आर मदर बिकॉज शी वॉज क्लोज टू कन्हैया. इट्स ऑल अबाउट कॉन्टैक्ट्स. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter how much you work. What matters is how much you network. And this is true, right? Networking. Think of it. कन्हैया ग्वाले थे, इसलिए हमारे देश में दूध मक्खन इतना खाया जाता है. अगर कन्हैया पोल्ट्री फार्म चलाते होते, तो नॉनवेज टेबू नहीं होता हमारे देश में. And the discrimination against the non-veg food is so subtle, we don't even realize it. Like, have you noticed that all the dirty jokes are referred to as non-veg jokes? Which is ironic because most of the non-veg jokes, they contain veg references. Angur, kela, santra, nuts, peanuts. So I think dirty jokes should be called veg jokes instead. It's all about context. कन्हैया ग्वाले थे इसलिए गाय हमारी माता है. आयरनी है कि दूध हम सब भैंस का पीते हैं, पर माता गाय है. और लोग बोलते हैं गाय माता क्योंकि हमें दूध देती है. लोग दूध देती है तो ऐसे बोलते हैं गाय खुद वॉलंटरी जाके मदर डेयरी के गेट के बाहर जाके खड़ी हो जाती है. एंड इज लाइक मिल्क मी. भैंस की रेस्पेक्ट ही नहीं. आप देखो, जस्ट बिकॉज वो काली है, मोटी है, हेरी है. There is racism even at the heart of mythology. नोटिस आपके सारे भगवान जो थे समुद्र मंथन में गोरे थे, सारे असुर काले होते थे। सफेद घोड़ी शगुन है, शादी में काली बिल्ली रास्ता काट गई अपशगुन है। भगवान गोरे असुर काले, यमराज इज ब्लैक, दे से ओ इज मैसेंजर ऑफ डेथ। या बट जॉर्ज बुश इज वाइट, हेनरी किसिंजर इज वाइट, यू कैन हैव वाइट मैसेंजर्स ऑफ डेथ एज वेल। There is racism even at the heart of mythology. आप एडवर्टाइजिंग देखें, राइट, एक एड आता है, डार्क सी लड़की होती है, शी यूजेस फेयर एंड लवली, गोरी हो जाती है एंड बिकम्स अ टेनिस चैंपियन। पहले तो यार कोई इन लोगों को समझाए कि द वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट वुमेन टेनिस प्लेयर इज सरीना विलियम्स, नॉट सानिया मिर्जा। And I think this discrimination against the color black should end, because I think black is a much more superior color to white. I'll tell you why. Black is a symbol of intelligence. The biggest mystery in the universe is the black hole and the dark matter. It's a symbol of intelligence. Biggest grossing album of Pink Floyd, Dark Side of the Moon. Biggest grossing movie of the last decade, The Dark Knight. Black is a symbol of beauty. कृष्ण भगवान सांवले थे, 16,000 बीवियां थी। राम भगवान गोरे थे, only one wife. And even she was kidnapped by a black dude. Black is a symbol of beauty. That is why black mole on a cheek is a beauty mark, but white mole on the cheek is calcium deficiency. Black is a symbol of value, because black money is white money plus 30%. The most expensive berry in the world is a blackberry. Black is a symbol of value because you can buy a milk chocolate, but you have to earn a Bonville. It's a symbol of value. किसान कौन से बादलों के लिए गाने गाते हैं? काले बादलों के लिए, सफेद बादलों के लिए। And finally, black is a symbol of respect. आप लड़की को मेल करो, रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करेगी, ब्लैकमेल करके देखो। And the ads are so unrealistic, मतलब क्रीम लगा के गोरे हो जाते हैं। First of all, think of it, if Fair and Lovely really worked, don't you think black people would have put an end to slavery long ago? Yeah, Nelson Mandela was stupid, he fought against apartheid for 30 years. You know, he could have just given those slaves Fair and Lovely. Presenting the brand new Fair and Lovely with melanin busters. It's revolutionary. 3 weeks, twice a day, whole body. Whole body, people, because we don't want a situation where we have white cheeks or black butt cheeks, so whole body. And the ads are so unrealistic. आप देखो, लड़की डार्क होती है, कुछ हो नहीं रहा होता, जॉब नहीं लग रही होती, क्रीम लगाती है, she becomes an air hostess. I'm like, that's it? And what are the dark girls doing? They end up becoming Indra Nui, Chanda Kochar, Kalpana Chawla, Kiran Bedi, Kiran Majumdar Shaw. The other species that I feel bad about is the tigers. Only 1,411 left. First of all, how do they know it's exactly 1,411? Like, did they count the number of people they sent to the jungle who didn't come back? And I'll tell you why the number of tigers is coming down. Because of gross deforestation. पेड़ ही नहीं बेचारे कहाँ छुप के करेंगे? And tigers are not like dogs who can like do it anywhere. They are the kings of jungle. They have standards. So when a male tiger is flirting with a tigress, क्या कर रहे हो? सब लोग देख रहे हैं। डार्लिंग, डिस्कवरी वाले देखने के लिए बैठे हैं। आपको ना मजाक सूझता है किसी ने एमएमएस बना लिया तो? डार्लिंग, जब डिस्कवरी वाले एमएमएस बनाते हैं उसको डॉक्यूमेंट्री बोलते हैं। See, humans with humans is entertainment, animals with animals is education, and humans with animals is a matter of choice, which I'm fine with. नहीं, सबके सामने करेंगे क्या इज्जत रह जाएगी? डार्लिंग, या तो इज्जत बचा लो या स्पीशी बचा लो। Only 1,411 left. Come on, darling, 1,411, 14/11 तो वैसे भी चिल्ड्रंस डे होता है। Come on. There is one simple way to save the tigers. Give all the tigers names. एक को रॉबर्ट वाड्रा बोल दो, दूसरे को राहुल गांधी, तीसरे को मुलायम सिंह, चौथे को मायावती। पूरी गवर्नमेंट मशीनरी बचाने में लग जाएगी। और चिदम्बरम तो इवन जुडिशरी। And speaking of Tiger reminds me of Tiger Woods. You know, his scandal came out, and post that, all the sponsors dropped him. One of them was Tag Heuer watches. Heard of that? And which was funny because here is a man who's juggling golf, his wife, and multiple mistresses all at the same time. So why would a watchmaking company drop such a guy who's a symbol of time management? I wonder what was the conversation like. Tiger, we are sorry we have to drop you. But why? Because it's 2 times on your wife. Yeah, but using your watch. Gillette was another sponsor that dropped him. Have you seen the Gillette commercial? There's a guy who shaves. After that he does this. और तुरंत कोने में से एक लड़की आगे उसे लिपट जाती है. What did Tiger Woods do? He made love to the girl who came and hugged him. So how can Gillette fire his very own ambassador for living up to the very fantasy that they're selling to their own customers? And this is the hypocrisy of the advertising that we see today. And speaking of advertising, you have to talk about IPL. How many people watch IPL here? Right. I think everything is sponsored in IPL. In the future, even pitches will be sponsored. Right. First of all, cricket में मुझे सबसे बड़ा हंसी वाली चीज़ लगती है जो मैन ऑफ द मैच को वो देते हैं ना चेक. आज भी दिया एक बड़ा सा चेक. 1 लाख का चेक होगा इतना बड़ा सा. मान लो ग्रीस का बेल आउट पैकेज हो. Lot of sponsorships in IPL. In the future, when pitches will be sponsored. आपकी ऑस्ट्रेलिया की हार्ड पिचेस होती हैं, उनको अंबुजा सीमेंट वाले स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं. सब कॉन्टिनेंट की ड्राई पिचेस होती हैं, उनको हगीज वाले स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं. अब गीलापन कहाँ जाता है पता ही नहीं चलता. And I love IPL because we have cheerleaders in IPL. But I don't understand why would you need cheerleaders in a format where people are already excited, they're already cheering. You want to have cheerleaders, put them in a test match. Where people are getting bored after every maiden of she goes, "Tu na ja mere badshah, ek maiden ke liye, ek over dekh le." And I think in the future they'll also have lady umpires, right? Test match में white साड़ी पहन के वनडे में monochromatic आ रही हैं. अभी मैच शुरू होता है, पहले पिच रिपोर्ट होती है, फिर उनकी रैम्प वॉक कराया करेंगे. और कमेंटेटर्स उनकी वॉक को देख के पिच रिपोर्ट दे रहे हैं. "Oh, looks like a bright sunny afternoon here, Ravi. Seems like there's a bit of bounce in the surface." Uneven bounce. It will make the game exciting. अभी तो को बाउंड्री जाती है, 6 जाता है, आपको दिख रहा है. लेडी अंपायर डिसीजन इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाएंगे. चौका ऐसे दे रही है वो पल्लू लगा के, और कमेंटेटर शॉट की वजह उसकी तारीफ कर रहे हैं. Have a look at that. Just a small flick of the wrist. Away she goes in the crowd. Just have a look at the follow through. छक्का अंगड़ाई लेके दे रही है. And it will make cricket really a gentleman's game. अभी देखो एलबीडब्ल्यू की अपील होती है, पाकिस्तान के प्लेयर्स चढ़ जाते हैं अंपायर पे. विद अ लेडी अंपायर अपीलिंग विल बी मच मोर सटल. बॉल लगी पैड्स पे, सुनिए मोहतरमा, वो अपना आईफोन पे, हाँ क्या है, वो बॉल लगी थी पैड्स पे, देखा आपने? हाँ उसी का रिप्ले देख रही हूँ. नॉट आउट है. नहीं तुम्हें बहाने चाहिए शायद बात करने के. और स्लिप पे कौन खड़े हैं? मुश्ताक साहब. सर एलबीडब्ल्यू की अपील में आप क्यों फुदकने लग जाते हो? आपको बड़ा दिखाई पड़ता है उस एंगल से एलबीडब्ल्यू. हाँ, और शोएब तुम्हारा एक्शन तो वाइड ऑफ द क्रीज था ना, इतना क्लोज आके क्यों बॉलिंग कर रहे हो? नो बॉल कर दी नहीं मैंने, पूरे दिन ओवर खत्म नहीं होगा तुम्हारा. नहीं, रावलपिंडी एक्सप्रेस की आज मैंने मालगाड़ी बना के नहीं भेजी ना, तो मेरा नाम भी रितु नहीं. अब होता है कि एक लेडी अंपायर आ गया, पेट्रियोटिक आर्मी वाले की बेटी, उससे इंडिया की हार बर्दाश्त नहीं होती है. अभी टॉस हो रहा है इंडिया पाकिस्तान में. हाँ बोलो शायद क्या चाहिए? हेड्स. हेड्स. तुम्हारी आर्मी को भी हेड्स चाहिए, तुम्हें भी हेड्स चाहिए. अमन की आशा के नाम पे खेलना है तो हेड्स. शायद हेड्स मांगोगे तो टेल्स देंगे, कश्मीर मांगोगे तो पेल देंगे. तो अब इंडिया अगर हार रही होती है ना, तो वो बॉलर्स को डिस्टर्ब करना शुरू कर देते. शोएब अख्तर काफी विकेट्स वगैरह ले रहे हैं, तो क्या शोएब मियाँ इतना लंबा रन अप लेके आते हो, आई मिस यू, यहीं पास से ही डालिए ना. शाहिद अफरीदी आप जानते हैं, स्पिन एक्शन में फास्ट डाल देते हैं. शायद व्हाट वाज दैट? नहीं तुम राइट आर्म स्पिन बोल के फास्ट डालते हो. तुमने एज झूठी लिखाई है, बॉल भी झूठी फेंक रहे हो तुम। नहीं, स्पिन बॉल के तुम भट्टा बॉल डाल रहे हो शायद। अगली बार तुमने भट्टा बॉल डालना है तुम्हारा मैं बेबी ओवर कर दूंगी। और सर्कल में 4 फील्डर लड़ोने 6 लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? ये एलओसी नहीं, अंदर घुसे चले आ रहे हो सारे, तुम बाहर निकलो। And it's impossible to talk about cricket without talking about Sachin Tendulkar, right? I love the brands he's endorsing, luminous inverters. आपको लगता है सचिन के यहाँ बिजली जाती होगी? बम्बई में तो लाइट वैसी नहीं कटती। मतलब सारे ऐड सचिन से कराने, मैंने कम से कम इन्वर्टर के तो प्रवीण कुमार से करा लो। गाजियाबाद में रहता है, लाइट आती नहीं है। वो बेचारा बॉलर ही इसलिए बना है। अबे जोगिंदर देख, पसीना तो घर पे भी आना है, इसे चपन खेल ही आते हैं। And Complan they famously claim adds 2 inches to your height, and Sachin endorses Boost. उनको कितना बुरा लगता होगा ना। आइला, काश बूस्ट की जगह कॉम्प्लान पिया होता, कम से कम सहवाग जितना तो होता। And people always talk about pressure on Sachin Tendulkar when he's batting. Nobody talks about pressure on other people, like commentators when he's batting. Have you noticed India में कोई commentator सचिन की बुराई कर नहीं सकता? And they're so biased towards Tendulkar. Even if Sachin plays a defensive shot, they have to go gaga over that. Oh, have a look at that. Play this straight bat, eyes in line of the ball, plays it late. Youngsters watching, that is the way to play. उसके replay दिखाएंगे. और द्राविड छक्का भी मार दें. Why is he playing lofty shots, Ravi? There is no need for that. Sehwag plays away from the body. Oh, that's a nothing shot. No footwork. Sachin plays away from the body. Lazy elegance. The master doesn't even bother to move his feet. Such great hand-eye coordination. Sehwag gets beaten on a slow one. Oh, couldn't pick up the slow one. Sachin does the same. I reckon the pitch is a bit double-paced, Ravi. The ball is not coming onto the bat. काफी बार तो दूसरे बैट्समैन की बैटिंग की तारीफ क्रेडिट भी सचिन को मिल जाता है। सहवाग अच्छा खेल रहे हैं, ओ सहवाग इज ऑन अ सॉन्ग टुडे, बॉय दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन सचिन प्लेइंग ऑन द अदर एंड। ही टेक्स सो मच प्रेशर ऑफ यू, यू कैन प्ले योर नेचुरल गेम। और कभी खराब खेल रहे तो बुराई नहीं करेंगे। द मैक्स डेल सेज ओ दैट्स नॉट द सचिन वी यूज्ड टू सीइंग। और अगर बहुत ही ज्यादा खराब खेल रहे हो, टाइम फॉर कमेंट्री चेंज रावी, and Alun Lal will take over. So I come from Delhi. How many people from Delhi here? Just by raise of hands. A lot of you. Delhi, you know the land of Commonwealth Games scam. And the funny thing about the CWG scam is that people think that scam is over. No, it's happening. Because the CWG is not a scam, it's an attitude which says, yes, we can play with the wealth of the common man. In fact, all these scams, CWG, 2G, KG, they're not scams, they're attitudes. What happened in CWG? They gave the contracts way above the market price. In 2G, they sold the licenses way below the market price. And in KG, they asked Reliance, tell us, what is the market price? 3 different models. First is called price fixing. Second is called license Raj. And the third is called Reliance on Reliance. And before the games are about to begin, they try to divert your attention by saying that CWG could be a potential terrorist target. I'll tell you what the terrorists were thinking when they saw that news. Ajmal. No, why would we want to bomb these games? They're bombing on their own already. Look, that bridge fell down, killed 2 of our jihadis. I told you it was suicidal to send suicide bombers to the Commonwealth Games, but you never listened to me. And what would we bomb? We sent Amir Mohammad Jamil 3 months back to bomb the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. But it wasn't ready on time to be bombed. But chief, the stadium is ready now. Yeah, but now Amir and Mohammed have got dengue. And who would be bombed? The foreign athletes have boycotted already. I say we also boycott the games. And that's why there were no blasts at the Commonwealth Games. और आपको याद होगा, before the games are about to begin, there was a bridge which collapsed. और लोग गुस्सा हो गया, bridge collapse हो गया. अरे भैया, वो हमारी इनॉग्रेशन सेरेमनी थी. नॉर्मली नारियल फोड़ के करते हैं, हमने ब्रिज फोड़ के, कि हमारा बिग बजट कार्यक्रम था. And CWG was an amazing time because it brought me closer to Sheila Dikshit. I mean, the lady is so humble. She never took credit for any of the things, only took cash. Then you had the 2G scam, right? A Raja did that. CBI रेड मारने की थी 2 महीने बाद ए राजा के यहाँ पे 2 महीने पहले तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि CBI 2 महीने बाद जब रेड मारने जाती है वो रेड मारने जाती है अपनी जिद की रेड मरवाने जाती है क्या फंडा है And then they said, CBI said, oh, we have found a personal diary of A Raja with incriminating evidence. I was like, how romantic. Here is a guy who's pulled off a 1,76,000 crore rupee scam. Do you really expect him to document his wrongdoings in a personal diary? What was the CBI expecting to find? Dear diary, what a day. Made 10,000 crores with just a stroke of the hand. The money as we speak is being routed to my Hawala account number 9820967665. The transaction ID is ARAJAUPADMKMADAMG. And the account password is Rajamev Jayate. PS, I rock. And A Raja is Karunanidhi's protege. मुझे समझ नहीं आता why does Karunanidhi needs money? I mean, Karunanidhi, he's a 88-year-old rotting conscience on dialysis. Why does he need money to buy more of those sunglasses to wear at night with his dhoti? Or to buy a designer wheelchair by Dilip Chhabadiya? Why? An 88-year-old still alive. Karunanidhi is so old, recently his birth certificate expired. He is too old to even die a natural death now. Now he can only die in his next life. You might be wondering how. See, we cannot do that, he can. Because he knows how to handle multiple portfolios. And you look at these scams, CWG, 2G, you'll realize, why does Rahul Gandhi keep saying that we want young people into politics, educated people into politics? Because see, इतने sophisticated scam करने के लिए आपको पढ़े लिखे लोग तो चाहिए. आप अनपढ़ लोगों के स्कैम देखो, लालू चारा घोटाला, मायावती अपनी मूर्तियां बना के खुश हैं, वो कर्नाटका में येडुरप्पा, माइनिंग स्कैम कितना ऑब्वियस स्कैम है. माइनिंग स्कैम आयरन और निकालोगे धरती से गड्ढा रहेगा वहां पे दिखेगा आपको. अब इनके स्कैम देखो 2G में लॉस कैलकुलेट नहीं हो पा रहा है अभी तक. And after that, the recent scam that we had was the Colgate scam. Heard of that? Interesting scam. Manmohan Singh said, we had to give the coal mines to private corporations without a legislation to boost cheap power, boost GDP. Then Chidambaram came, he said, there is zero loss because the coal has not been mined yet. So my question is, what did you guys use to produce that cheap electric power? Apparently they have produced electric energy out of nothing, which violates the law of conservation of energy. The energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Apparently, energy can now be created if only you give the coal mines to private corporations for free. And the beauty is you still have all that coal to produce electric power again. Don't you see Chidambaram has reduced coal into a renewable source of energy? The man deserves to be honored with a Nobel Prize in Science. But people keep underestimating him by calling him PC. He's not PC, people, he's a MacBook Pro. Show some respect. And see, cheap power you understand if you give the coal mines to relevant companies. You give so many coal mines to gutka companies, underwear companies. अब underwear में कब से बिजली बनने लगी मनमोहन सिंह बताएं जरा. But he felt bad, so he went to Madam Ji. Madam Ji, why are we giving coal mines to the underwear companies? मन्नू, ये अंदर की बात है. मैडम पर हम कुछ भी ऑक्शन क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? मन्नू ये आराम का मामला है. मैडम मेरी पूरी छवि पे दाग लग गए. मन्नू ग्रो अप, दाग अच्छे हैं. And speaking of Madam Ji, I have an immense regard and respect to her because she loves the poor people. She loves the poor people so much that she has kept them poor. Otherwise, she'll be left with nobody to love. And also, I love her because, you know, she's sort of an entrepreneur. Like entrepreneur, she started her own organization, UPA, United Parasites Association. And I love UPA because it's the only secular party we have in India. Secular because इन्होंने सबको बराबर लूटा है. हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई सबकी जेब बराबर कटी है भाई. And also I love her, admire her because she thinks big. अब देखो 20 साल पहले नेताओं की विजन ही नहीं थी. बोफोर्स हुआ 80 करोड़, that was like peanuts. फिर चारा घोटाला हुआ 800 करोड़, that was like cashew nuts. तेल की ने स्टैम्प पेपर स्कैम किया 40,000 करोड़, that was like walnuts. Then she came on the scene and she just pushed the envelope. CWG 1% of GDP, 2G 3% of GDP, Colgate 3.1% of GDP. Her scams are not just cashew nuts or peanuts or walnuts, they are proper donuts. Because they leave a big hole at the center. A hole called fiscal deficit in the central exchequer. And all her ministers are mad about donuts. And she's a mysterious character, nobody knows much about her. A few days back, I downloaded a documentary on her life, couldn't play it because my VLC player said, file is corrupt. And speaking of the man himself, Manmohan Singh, remember when the Anna agitation was happening, they were saying Anna ke fast undemocratic hain, it's unconstitutional. First of all, I'll request the ruling party to please shut up and stop lecturing us about democracy. I mean, here is a ruling party whose very own prime minister does not have the right to speak. He has been playing dumb charades with the nation for the last 9 years. Every time a scam happens, he pretends dumb, and he has reduced the economy to a charade. And before 2009, see, all the educated people, we were looking for an imaginative prime minister. What we got was an imaginary prime minister. Because everything the man does is symbolic. आपको याद है इंडिया पाकिस्तान सेमीफाइनल्स था मोहाली में. He invited Gilani to watch the match. I love that picture, Manmohan Singh with Gilani. I was like, here is a failed prime minister of an emerging state, sitting with an emerging prime minister of a failed state. How romantic is that? And a few days back, Time magazine called him an underachiever. I totally disagree. Because see, he's the only person on the planet who's married to one woman and committed to another. That's not an underachiever. That's an overachiever by any stretch of imagination. Is it getting too dark for you? Like, shall we move to some trivial topics? And in 2014, there's a talk of Rahul Gandhi becoming the prime minister. And in the last 2 years, Rahul Gandhi has lost so much confidence of the youth. मैंने कहा प्राइम मिनिस्टर छोड़ो, आप पहले रोडीज जीत के दिखा दो. I would like to see Rahul Gandhi at the audition. You see roadies, like by raise of hand, just, yeah. I would like to see Rahul Gandhi at the audition of roadies. Raghuraj ji बैठे हैं और भी कुर्ता पजामा. तू जगराते में है यहाँ पे. But Rahul, तूने क्या लिखा है about me में youth icon of the country. Rahul, define country. A country is something on the map of India which has mountains, rivers, quota, Muslim quota, dynasty politics, Muslim quota, dynasty politics, black money. No, that's outside the country. Midnight sweeps, morning arrests, sycophants. Sycophants याद है दिग्विजय कहाँ पे आजकल? वही बोलते हैं कि मैं यूथ आइकॉन हूँ. क्यों बोलते हैं ऐसी बातें तुझे? वो बोलते हैं कि तू बड़ा ब्राइट है. अबे ब्राइट तो उसलिए बोलता है कि तू गोरा है. उसको इतनी अंग्रेजी आती है, उसकी बात को तो लिटरली मत लिया कर. बचपन के बारे में कुछ बता. बचपन में डैड लव्ड मी, सारी ख्वाहिश जबान पे आने से पहले पूरी करते थे. एक बार पापा से मैंने बर्थडे पे टॉय गन मांगी, उन्होंने पूरी बोफोर्स गन ला के दे दी. और घर पे पेट्स हैं, पमेलियन, लैब्राडोर, बट माई फेवरेट पेट इज CBI, सेंट्रल बिच ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन. उसके साथ ही प्ले फैच जगनमोहन रेड्डी, फैच मायावती. एंड मम्मा लव शॉपिंग, MPs. तो कहाँ शॉप करते हो? स्नैपडील पे? नहीं, न्यूक्लियर डील पे. राहुल, तूने ये क्या लिखा है? फादर ऑफ द नेशन, मम्मी. GDP, ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक पावर्टी ऑफ द कंट्री. राहुल, GDP, ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक पावर्टी ऑफ द कंट्री. हम पागल हैं यहाँ पे. सॉरी सर, GDP मीन्स गांधी डायनेस्टी पॉलिटिक्स. IQ कितना है तेरा? सर √3. अब मेरा कुछ सर्ड है. सर्ड तो मनमोहन है, ये तो एब्सर्ड है. And nothing would happen because CBI is investigating the cases, and CBI, you know, is an independent investigating agency. Because CBI's findings are always independent of the case they're investigating. It's always not enough evidence. So nothing would happen, but I've got a couple of requests. See, in Delhi, you have a place called Rajghat, Kisan Ghat, Vijay Ghat, in the memory of freedom fighters who did great for the country. I think when these people die, let's put their samadhis next to Rajghat, Vijay Ghat, Kisan Ghat, and let's call that Vishwas Ghat. We at least deserve some symbolic justice. So moving on to, how many people in the room think they're really happy with their lives, or life in general? I'm going to talk about this issue of happiness now, because you're all successful, right? So that has been taken care of. I think it's very difficult to be happy. One, because we always ask ourselves the wrong questions. Am I happy? Yes. Is he happy? Yes. Now am I happy? No. And sometimes I think that is why Bill Gates went to Africa, because, you know, when he thought of Steve Jobs in late 2000s, he must have felt very unhappy. So he went to Africa, saw those broken homes and poor people, and thought, boy, I need to install windows in these houses now. Right. Sure, a lot of people are working on tablets and iPads. I need to focus on malaria tablets and sanitary pads. The reason it's difficult to be happy is because of advertising. Because advertisers, they don't want to see you happy. Because happy people mean unhappy companies and unhappy investors. Because you cannot sell anything to a happy person. Like, can you imagine selling X deodorant to Dalai Lama? No, he doesn't need it. So first they have to make you unhappy. Are you dark? Do you have pimples? Does your underwear make a good impression? Have you made it large in life? Right. And notice how excited people are in the commercials. Close-up में बंदा brush करके आता है, is like, लड़की के मुंह में जाके, ऐसे कौन करता है brush करने के बाद? पेप्सी के ऐड में लोग गाड़ियों से लटक रहे हैं, बिल्डिंगों से कूद रहे हैं, दिल मांगे मोर, ये दिल मांगे मोर. समझ नहीं आता, पेप्सी पी रहे हैं, विस्की पी रहे हैं, इतना जोश आ कहां से रहे हैं. एशियन पेंट्स, हर घर कुछ कहता है कि अंदर इसमें कौन रहता है. पहले ऐसे घरों को हॉन्टेड कहते थे, जिनकी दीवारें बात करती थी. My favorite commercial are the deodorant commercials, X deodorant. There was an ad 3-4 years back. बंदा एक्स का डिओ स्प्रे करता था, और हजारों सुंदर सुपर मॉडल्स मिनिमम पॉसिबल क्लोथिंग में दौड़ दौड़ी चली आती थी. एंड दे वर सो एक्साइटेड, ये हम आ गए. आई लव दैट एड. माई ओनली प्रॉब्लम वॉज, व्हाट इफ आई ओनली वांट वन गर्ल? इन दैट केस शैल आई यूज लेस ऑफ द डिओड्रेंट, और शैल आई लेट देम ऑल कम, कीप वन एंड सेंड द रिमेनिंग बैक? आप सभी देवियों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आप इतनी ठंड में सिर्फ इन पाश्चात्य परिधानों में दौड़ दौड़ी चली आई. थैंक्स सो मच फॉर एंथुजियाज्म. आप सभी इज्जतदार घरों की लड़कियां हैं, तो कृपया सूर्यास्त होने से पहले घर की ओर प्रस्थान करें. The ad is so unrealistic. Have you noticed? The guy sprays six-pack ab dude, he sprays the deodorant, then the hand comes and it stops. Right. उसके बाद आप खुद imagine कर लो. I'm like, what is the fantasy? कि बंदा आपका डिओ लगाया, गद्दाफी बन जाएगा. लेडीज आके वॉलंटरी सरेंडर कर रही हैं, जहां पना तोहफा कबूल करो. Like what? Just 2 minutes. And also I wonder if all the guys are using the X deodorant, who is the girl supposed to go to? You don't know. It might vary. You know why? Because X is an unknown variable after all. My favorite ads are the soap commercials. Lux. Aishwarya Rai, she's bathing so gently. समझ नहीं आता, नहा रही खुद को seduce करने की कोशिश करे इतना आराम आराम से. And she's always in a bathtub, पूरा झाग से भरा होता है. समझ नहीं आता, लक्स से नहा रही है, रिन से नहा रही है, झाग आ कहाँ से रहे हैं इसके अंदर. पूरा आराम आराम से. आप बंदों के साबुन के ऐड देखो, पूरा रगड़ रगड़ के नहा रहे होते हैं, टंकी में पानी नहीं आ रहा होता. And then to add insult to the injury, they say Lifebuoy kills 99% germs. अच्छा, लेडीज में जर्म्स का मेंशन ही नहीं है. उनमें तो जर्म्स होते ही नहीं है, वो तो फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए नहा रही होती हैं. And the taglines they use, Lux, mere sundar glowing त्वचा का राज. As if you can look at a girl and tell what soap she uses. Lux. She's definitely using Lux, boss. No, right? What do you think Mayawati is using? Then you have a shampoo called Head and Shoulders Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Now see, I understand the head part, but who is using a shampoo on the shoulders? And that too for dandruff. I understand if your only clients are Anil Kapoor and Sunny Deol. But if that is the case, then how about a shampoo for head, shoulders, back and chest? And you can call the shampoo HSBC. Thank you so much. That's my time. You were a great audience. It was a pleasure performing here. Thank you so much. Good night. Thank you.